Did you know the world produces over 25 million tons of cotton every single year?
This simple white fiber powers one of the largest industries on Earth. But how does raw cotton become the fabric we wear every day?
Today, we explore the incredible journey from raw cotton to fashionable fabric.
Welcome to the heart of a modern textile manufacturing facility.
Where tradition meets cutting-edge technology.
The textile industry faces serious challenges today.
High water consumption threatens environmental sustainability.
Factories must also reduce energy usage while increasing efficiency.
Maintaining quality at massive scale is no easy task.
The process begins with cleaning raw cotton. Fibers are aligned to prepare them for spinning. Spinning machines transform fibers into strong threads. These threads are woven into fabric using automated looms.
Precision weaving defines the fabric's strength and texture.
Next comes dyeing, where color brings fabric to life.
Advanced technology ensures consistent quality.
This is where innovation reaches its peak.
Modern mills now produce sustainable, eco-friendly textiles. These fabrics shape today's global fashion trends.
A perfect blend of technology, design, and responsibility.
From cotton fields to finished fabric, every step matters.
Understanding this process helps us value what we wear. What's your favorite type of fabric? Comment below and suggest topics for our next factory tour.